Right, so it's continuing support for more instructions. I'm going to start by looking at this PAVG B and W instruction for packed average packed integers. So let's just go to the encoder tests, and these forms in this table are actually very similar, or if not the same, as the PADD ones. So I'm just going to go and take the add B and add W ones from here and add them to the top as tests. So for these, I'll just get rid of all of these test comments. And as long as NASM is okay with this, I think it looks okay. I'll just move on to adding the tests for all the other instructions as well. So the next ones will be min and max for packed integers. So we'll start with, let's say max here because it's got all of the different suffixes in it. So this is basically looking the same as PADD as well, because the D and Q versions have broadcasts here. But it looks like legacy encoding only goes up to D, so legacy encoding can't have Q in it. So let's just go and find P. Oh, let's just change the names of these first. So PADD should be PAVG. Okay, let's find PADD again. So we'll take B, W, D, and Q. And we'll bring these up to these tests here. Let's just get rid of all of these comments. And we'll change PADD into P, what was it, MAXS So I've got PMAXS, B, W, D, and Q, but the Q one doesn't have a legacy encoding, so we'll get rid of that one. So that's okay. Then we've got UB, which, does this legacy encoding go up to, that one has B and W. Does this have a legacy encoding for Q? No. It has broadcasts for D and Q. And then no broadcasts, I assume, for this one, which is fine. So that's UB, that's the U version there. Okay, I think I can just copy this. So let's just take this, and it will change PMAXS to PMAXU. Then we've got the min versions here. So we've got S and U here. These ones are split up a bit more. But again, it looks basically the same. As far as I can see. So we'll just copy all of these max ones. And from this point down, we'll just change it to PMIN. Let's see. Yeah, okay, I'll just duplicate these ones. Let's just do these bottom ones here. So all the way down to the bottom of max. We'll change these to min. Okay, that looks all right. And then there's another instruction, PSIGN. This one has B, W, and D. I'm not sure actually if there's a Q version. Doesn't look like it. So we'll just do these ones as well. So this is basically, we'll ignore MMX. We've got B. Then we've got, yeah, so there's B, W, and D for legacy. So they all exist in all of the family encodings, but this one only goes up to VEX. So maybe for this one, Let's just do a copy of the average one, because we've got RM, RVM, but there's no op masks on these ones, so let's just make sure to take those off. So let's just copy these. We've got P average. This one is going to be PSIGN. And we don't need the op masks for these. Oh, actually, the EVEX encodings don't even exist for this, so we'll just get rid of EVEX entirely. But there is a sign D. Okay, so let's just check that covers all of them, I think. Let's just see if NASM's okay. Yep, that seems fine. Okay, so let's just generate the test notation for these. And then align them all. Okay, and finally regenerate NASM again. Okay. So now let's just take all of these mnemonics here. So go through max, min, and then finally sign. Take all of these, we'll just go above this mul LW one here. Right, let's just deduplicate these. So we got sign here, we got min. Maybe we'll split min by S and U. Same goes for max. And then we've got average as well. So let's just take all of these down to the name table. And then we'll just take all of these into the forms. So let's just give them some empty form tables. Okay, go test should fail immediately. Okay, so we've got P average. These ones were really just taken from P add, and the same goes really for max and min. So maybe I'll just look for P add in here. And we'll just take these ones for average. Then we'll do the same for min and max. These ones also include D and Q. But we don't have legacy for Q, so we'll just get rid of that one. So this was max S, I think. Then we've got the same thing, but for max U. And then again, exactly the same thing for min. Then for sign, I guess it will be the same, but just without the Q. So we'll just take all of these ones. So this is, instead of min SU, this was just sign. Okay, let's just see. Oh, and sign doesn't have any broadcasts at all. So let's just get rid of broadcast on there. There's also no op mask on here because this one doesn't actually have EVEX at all, so we'll get rid of that entirely. So let's just check where I've got broadcast that it shouldn't be. So Q and D have broadcast, so that's fine. Q and D, and then Q and D, and then, yeah, I think that looks okay actually. So these max and min ones do support the op masks, so that's fine as well. Okay, let's just see how this goes. Undefined max SUB. That should be max S. Oh no, max UB, right? Yeah, and then I got min SUB because I copied the same thing. So this one I'm saying is U. Okay, so it does actually match all of the forms. It's just that we're getting the incorrect bytes, which is expected. So let's start with, maybe we'll start from the bottom up so I can see without scrolling up the whole time. So we've got PSIGN as the first one. So PSIGN is down here. This is 660F38, so 38 is the map for this one. So this one has 3 8s. Yep, okay. Then we've got 0 8 and 0 9 as the opcodes. 0 9 for W, and then D is 0A. And sign doesn't support EVEX, so I'll just get rid of these extra ones that I've got here. Okay, we've got invalid syntax. Okay, so that takes care of sign. So now we're on to min U. Okay, so let's go to PMINU. We'll do UB and UW. So this is 660FDA and 3A. So this one here is DA. Then this one here is 3A. Yeah, that looks okay as far as I can see. But EVEX has 3 8 as the map for W. So this map here should be 3 8. Does the map change for VEX? Yes, in VEX it's 3 8. Oh, okay, so UW just has 3 8. Okay. Let's just change these to 3 8 as well. Then we've got UD and UQ. So these are also 3 8 throughout the whole thing. And then it's 3B. And W1 for the EVEX version. So this is 3B. I think this one is also 3B down here. The map for all of these is 3 8. And then the EVEX of the Q version is W1, so that's fine. Okay, we're still getting some incorrect stuff here. So min UQ VPMINU. For some reason we're getting the VEX encoding Oh, this is probably because I need to force the... Okay, let's go to encoder test. PMINU. Which line is this? This is line 242. Okay, so this one I was expecting VEX encoding. UQ, does this not have VEX encoding, maybe? Yes, it doesn't have VEX encoding at all. Okay, let's get rid of these tests here. The only VEX encoding is XMM and YMM for UD, but UQ doesn't have it at all. So actually these ones are probably also, let's just go and see. So we've got MINUQ is only EVEX as well. So if I go to the encoder listing, PMINUQ, these are all EVEX, so I'll actually get rid of these ones. So let's just check for other entirely EVEX ones. We've got MINSQ as well. So there's no point in having these. Then we've got MAXUQ. And I would assume MAXSQ as well. So we'll just get rid of this test as well. Okay, I think that looks all right now. So let's just regenerate the NASM listing and do the test again. Okay, so now we're on to MINSQ. So for this one, we'll just copy the UQ version. And take it over to the S version. So the S version is EA and 3.8. So we've got EA for W, 3.8 for B. 3.8, and then for W is EA. Then for D, we've got 3.9 the whole way. So this is 3.9. That's for D and Q. They're both 3.9. Okay, so we've got MINSW is still incorrect. VPMINSW. So this has a map of a secondary opcode map. Let's just check that. Okay, so this needs to change. And this one needs to change. Okay, and MINSB, let's just go and check the forms. So MINSB is 0F38. Is this the vector one though? Yeah, VPMINSB. So VPMINSB is 0F3838. Okay, these need to be 3.8. Okay, so now we're on to the max versions. So let's just take all of these min versions and replace all of the max ones. And then just rename. To max. Okay, so with max, we've got B is 3C. Then W is EE. D is 3D, and then Q is also 3D. Okay. Okay, so MAXUQ is still invalid. Yeah, okay, I've done the S version. Okay, we'll do U. So the U versions are DE for the bytes. Then for Word, we've got 3E. Then for DWord, we've got 3F. That's max UB. Okay, this should be 3F. Okay, so now we're just onto the average instructions. So P, average, B, and W. These ones just change a little bit, I think. So this one, instead of FC, we've got E0. Oh no, that's the MMX version. Oh, but it's the same, yeah, okay, E0, and then W is E3. Okay, so that was average, min, max, and sign.